home. Okay, first, today is like simulation. Once simulation panada, you will have some realistic idea. Okay, finally, in which direction is the electric field, or in which direction finally current is there. Some realistic idea வந்து உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். Okay, so for that, because we are discussing about magnetic field, now we are going to see the simulation for magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field. Then you should have a device to measure the magnetic field direction first, and also you should be able to measure the strength of the magnetic field. Okay, so two things is important whenever you do simulation in magnetic field. You need a device to indicate the direction of magnetic field, and because we should know what is our B or H, what is our B or H. Once please wait a minute, I'm getting some call. I'll pause for her. I want to know the magnetic field. Two things is important, because either the magnetic field or magnetic flux density consists of magnitude as well as its direction, as well as some direction. Okay, so I'll put like this, some direction, magnetic field direction. So two things is important. Okay, in which direction the magnetic field is going, then what is the strength of the magnetic field at a particular place. Okay, so for this, to identify the direction, the material used is called as magnetic compass. Okay, magnetic compass. Okay, it will give you the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, so the direction of magnetic field is given by the magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Okay, it gives the direction of magnetic field. It gives the direction of magnetic field. It gives direction of magnetic field. Okay, magnetic compass. It gives the direction of magnetic field. Okay, then how to measure the strength of the magnetic field? Because magnetic compass will give you only the direction of magnetic field. It will not give the strength of the magnetic field. Okay, strength can be measured with help of any dedicated device, or even you can calculate the magnetic strength with help of your mobile phone. Okay, so now how we will calculate the strength, magnetic strength, we will calculate with help of mobile phone. Okay, we will do some experiment that we'll calculate. Okay, we'll calculate with help of mobile phone. With help of, but mobile phone. Okay, but always it is not recommended to use the mobile phone. But if you have some dedicated device, then you have to use that. You have to purchase it in the market, then you have to use that. But we'll use mobile phone, but it is not recommended, because sometime if magnetic field strength is very high, that will damage the sensors of the mobile phone. Okay, so then maybe your mobile phone may malfunction at later time, or otherwise you have to uh, what um, so again the sensor, by means of some alignment, again you can make the sensor to work properly at later times, no problem. Okay, so just we'll use so what I am doing, what I am telling, you just try to measure the magnetic field with the help of mobile phone, but don't bring a big magnet near to the mobile phone. Okay, very big magnet, because very big magnet will have higher magnetic strength, then that may damage the sensors present in the mobile phones. Okay, so but we will measure the magnetic field strength with help of mobile phone, and also our mobile phone has the ability to give the direction of magnetic field also. But it will give both. Okay, but in general, if you want to know only direction, then you can use magnetic compass. In the magnetic compass, எங்கேயாவது பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா anybody? Because this is like interaction class only, you have to talk. I don't know how many of you there, 6 of you there, you have to talk. மேக்னெட்டிக் காம்பஸ் எங்கேயாவது பார்த்துருக்கீங்க?
Watch.
வாட்ச்ல மேக்னெட்டிக் காம்பஸ் இருக்கா? ஓகே, மேபி ஐ திங்க். So what about others? Any other place have you seen மேக்னெட்டிக் காம்பஸ் எங்கேயாவது பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? நார்த் சவுத் டைரக்ஷன் காட்டுறதுக்கு வச்சிருப்பாங்கல்ல நீடில், அதுதான் வந்து மேக்னெட்டிக் காம்பஸ். நார்த்தா சவுத்தா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எங்கேயாவது பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? பிகாஸ் ஒன்ஸ் இஃப் யூ நோ நார்த் அண்ட் சவுத், then it is very easily you can calculate east and west. Okay, so maybe I think you might have seen in your travel bags. Yes sir, travel bags எல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா?
Sir.
Yes, when you have a travel bag, big travel bag, or the travel bag that you use for go for abroad or like that, then in the big travel bag, definitely there will be a magnetic compass. Okay, that will give you the direction. That will give you the direction of North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, so now let's see what is magnetic compass. Okay, so magnetic compass is a needle. It consists of two direction. Say this is one direction, okay, and another direction is like this. Another direction is like this. Okay, so the red color direction, the red color will always give you the direction of magnetic field. Okay, the red color will always give you the direction of magnetic field. So what is the meaning of this one? Say for example, if my magnetic field is going in this way, my magnetic compass needle will be in this way. Or otherwise, if my magnetic field is going in this way, then my needle will come to this position. Okay, then this will be the needle position. Okay, suddenly, because always please remember, always the red color part of the needle will give you the direction of magnetic field. Okay, direction of the external magnetic field. In which direction the external magnetic field is there? In which direction the external magnetic field is there? And again, you may have a doubt, what is this compass actually? Whether it is a conductor or whether it is some magnet. Okay, then I will tell you about you later. But at this time, you just try to know, if you have a compass, that will always denote the direction of magnetic field. That will always denote the direction of the magnetic field. Now what happens if my magnetic field is going in this way, and what will happen very clearly? So this will be my needle, red color, and this will be my blue color. Now you know what is the direction of magnetic field. Or otherwise, if my magnetic field goes in this way, then this will be the direction of needle. Okay, now you know what is the nature of the needle. It will always give you the direction of the magnetic field. It will always give you the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, now the doubt arises because we have been told that the earth itself is creating the magnetic field. The earth itself is creating the magnetic field. Okay, then when you are not having any physical magnet with you, then also it has to point out the direction of the magnetic field, direction of the magnetic field. So that means what? Say if I am not having any physical magnet, I am with only magnetic compass. If I suspend on the free space, if I keep it on the free space, okay, in the horizontal plane, then definitely it will point out some direction. Okay, say this is my earth, sir. This is my earth. Okay, if I keep the compass here, this is my north pole of the earth, north pole of the earth, and south pole of the earth. Yes, sir. Now somebody tell me, in which direction the magnetic compass red color will be, north or south? Huh?
North, sir.
In which direction? North, yes.
Where you place?
Yes, sir. So once if you have a compass, if you place it here, then this will be the direction of the compass. Then one thing is very clear. Now your compass is showing in the direction, that means what? The magnetic field is going from south pole to north pole, because the magnetic field goes upwards. Once if magnetic field goes upwards, then only it will denote the north pole direction. So what is the hidden meaning here? Your magnetic field is going in this way. Your magnetic field is going in this way. Okay, so this is the direction of the magnetic field. Your magnetic field, if you are having earth, the earth is always having the magnetic field, and that magnetic field is going in this way, okay, from here to here. Even if you place the compass here, then the red color will denote the north pole. So your magnetic field is going in this way. And you know, from the basics of the magnetic flux lines, okay, when the magnetic field outside the magnet will go from north pole to south pole, then really this should be the north pole of your earth magnet. This should be the south pole of your earth magnet. So inside the earth, you assume that there is a big magnet, but the magnet south pole is assigned with the magnet south is assigned with the earth north pole. Magnetic north is assigned with the earth south pole. Okay, so this is the idea, very important. So what I am telling, finally, north pole is equal to magnetic south. North pole is equal to magnetic south. Okay, so south pole is equal to magnetic north. Magnetic north. Okay. So now, in meantime, I will give you one app. Okay, with the help of that app, now you will identify really. You will have magnetic compass. Then that will give you the direction. You will have one application, mobile application, that will give you the direction of magnetic field very clearly. If you are not having any physical magnet, that compass red color has to show towards the north pole direction. You know what is the north direction for you, you know, wherever you are, because the north itself is different for different people. Once if you are, because whatever north to me may be south for you also, but again, whether the north or south is fixed to you, okay, not fixed to everyone. So once if you are there in some position, then definitely you keep the mobile phone in any direction, no problem. Then definitely that compass that is present in the mobile phone, okay, that to red color will give you the direction of the north pole, will give you the direction of the north pole, and also it will give you the strength, and also it will give you the strength of the magnetic field, strength of the magnetic field. Then what I will do, I will bring the magnetic real magnet near to that mobile phone. Then what is the change I am getting? Then what is the change I am getting? So now meantime you prepare, you try to have one magnet, physical magnet. Anyway, you will all be having the mobile phone, no problem. Then first I will show you the simulations. Later we will do with the help of real magnets and with the mobile phones. Okay, so this is the basics for the measurement of the magnetic field when you are in the simulation. Okay, now directly I will go to the simulation part. Okay.